Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today's our topic is classification groups, or we can say the taxonomic categories. Children, we know the classification is not a single step process but involves the hierarchy of the steps in which each step represents a rank or the category. Since the category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement, so it is called the taxonomic category. And then, children, we know all the categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. So each the category referred to as a unit of classification which represent a rank, and it is commonly called the taxon. And we can easily, in another words, say the taxon is a category into which the related organisms are placed. There is a hierarchy of the groups from broadest to most specific. Like first is domain, then kingdom, then phylum, class, order, family, genus, and the species. First we are going to start from the species. So children, the taxonomic study consider a group of individuals. The individual organism with fundamental similarities are called the species. And the next is the genus. The genus comprises a group of related species which has more characters in common in comparison to species of the other genera. The next category is the family. So the family has a group of related genera with still less number of similarities as compared to genus and the species. Some example of the different families are Felidae, Canidae, all are the examples of the families. In the plants, Solanaceae is the example of the family. So children, the next higher category is the order. Generally, order and the other higher taxonomic categories are identified on the basis of the assemblage of the families, which exhibit a number of few similar characteristic features. Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included in the order Polymoniales. This is the mainly based on their floral characteristic features. The next category includes the related orders. For example, the Primata comprises monkey, gorilla, gibbon. These are the example of the class. The next higher category is the phylum. The classes comprising animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with the mammals constitute the next higher category called the phylum. For animals we are using the phylum, and for plants we are using the division. All the animals belonging to the various phyla are assigned to the highest category, and the next highest category is the kingdom. So that the highest category kingdom is the Animalia in the classification system of the animals, and for plants it is the Plantae. Plantae is the highest kingdom of the plant. So hope children this topic is clear. These all are the taxonomic categories which showing the hierarchical arrangement in the ascending order. So hope children this topic is clear. Thank you.